Okay, so we've done step one. We've gone over step 1 and 2. So let's look at step 3. Step 3 has 3 parts. Journalize the employee payroll entries, journalize the employer payroll entries, and then you're just going to simply post to the general ledger. So you may have forgotten what the journal transaction looks like for the for the employee payroll entries. So back in our PowerPoint, remember we said there's 3 main transactions. The first one is for the number 1 is for the employee. So you're going to follow this format to journalize your employee withholding. So you're going to have gross wages will go to the debit. Notice it says gross. You're going to have all the required deductions like FIT, OSTI, Medicare, SIT, if the company has to pay a SIT, state income tax, and then any other voluntary deductions. And then the net pay is going to go into some type of a salaries payable account. So you have to look at your chart of accounts to see what the exact name of this account is and what the exact name of this account is. Okay, so let me switch back. So when it says journalize employee entries, you're going to be using this number 1 entry. Now the next step, it will say journalize the employer. First of all, before we go, notice it says we're going to be using the payroll register. So from the payroll register that we created in step 2, that's where you get the information for these employee payroll entries. Now for the employer payroll entry, you get it from the payroll register too. But let's go back to the PowerPoint. Slide or entry number 2 is for the employer taxes. So you're going to be following this format to pay the employer portion of OSTI, Medicare, FUTA, and SUTA. So you're going to have to calculate correctly the employer portion of these. So that gives you a really good start of what to do with the payroll project. And that's it for this video.